Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from Biossance. So this is a skincare brand, and I know what's in here, but I have not opened this yet. As you can see, this is the Miracle Moisture Set, and this is a limited edition holiday set. Here we go. Let's go ahead and pop this out. Very nicely packaged. And I'm sure you've already noticed, I have a discount code for you guys. So you can get 25% off. Yes, even on a gift set like this. So this retails for $72. There are 4 items in the set. This is called the Miracle Moisture Set. And this is really lovely package. So it's sealed right here. So once again, let me take my trusty box cutter. You might hear some shuffling of the paper on the ground. My cat is playing in the wrapper. So anyways, okay, so Biossance Miracle Moisture. Let's just go ahead and pop this open. So, lovely presentation. I love it. Wow, so this is full size. It looks like everything else is sample size. So first off, we have the SQUALANE Omega Repair Cream. So this is a moisturizer. It's a face cream that deeply moisturizes skin. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Ooh, it's unscented, and this has a delightfully creamy look to it. I have makeup on right now, so I'll have to try this all out later. Next, we have the SQUALANE and Marine Algae Eye Cream. You can never have too many eye creams. Just gently dab this around your eye. And once again, whoops, get some cream on my nose. Unscented. So this is great for anybody with sensitive skin. If you're sensitive to fragrances, you can use this. Eye cream visibly firms and instantly smooths. And we do love the SQUALANE. And I do believe they use vegan SQUALANE. But don't quote me on that till I'm sure. I'll check up on that. All right, next we have, let's do the serum. This is the SQUALANE Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. Wow, that sounds really intense. So you can go ahead and put this on your face and your neck. Ooh, and let's see if we can pick up some of the product. Take a look. Ooh, it's got a really pretty kind of light blue color to it. Let's go ahead and dip that into the bottle. Ooh, look at that. This looks lovely. Also unscented. So this is instant hydration with hyaluronic acid and paracress. I'm not familiar with paracress. I will have to research that. All right, now this I have used in the past. I do actually like this product if I can get it out. This is the Biossance SQUALANE Vitamin C Rose Oil. This is really lovely. It gives you that instant moisture and hydration. Vitamin C is so good for your skin. And this one does smell like rose. That's why they call it rose oil. One of the ingredients in here. So facial oil to visibly brighten and firm. So this is a limited edition holiday set. Once again, it's called the Miracle Moisture Set. It retails for $72, but I got that discount code for you. Heather and King 25 gets you 25% off. So you can get the set for $54 instead of $72, which is, this is an excellent deal. Because I mean, the set is already discounted because this comes out to all these goodies here. This comes out to $127. But if you get the gift set, it's discounted to $72. And then if you use my promo code, Heather and King 25, you get another 25% off. So you can get all of this skincare goodness for $54. And yes, I do get a tiny commission, but don't worry, I'm not going to be able to go to Disneyland on it unless you guys really go crazy. But I do love the presentation, and I am actually looking forward to trying all these out. I've used the rose oil before. I love face oils, so that I can highly recommend. You can use my promo code for other things on the website if you don't want to get this set. I highly recommend checking out the SQUALANE Vitamin C Rose Oil, because this is thebomb.com. All right. Don't you love how like up to date and hip my slang is? Yo, you know? All right, guys. Thank you so much, Biossance, for sending me this skincare set to share with my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, leave comments down below. I love it when you guys interact with me. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.